everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about icons and 3D models in Excel. So what is a 3D model in Excel? Well, 3D models are used to give a visual representation of the data. You can even use like pictographs to get a clearer view, but it's like if you want to see like a model, then you use 3D models. What is an icon in Excel? Well, an icon is to represent a range in each cell, and it just makes it easier to show. So let's get straight into the demo. So I'm back with the SOAP dataset that I've used for a couple of other videos, like about 2 videos. And so I'll be showing you how to do the 3D models and the icons on here. So I'm just going to scroll the corner. I'm just going to scroll this way, and then there's some empty working space over here, so I'm just going to put my picture up there. Now you're going to go to Insert, which is on the top bar up here along here, and next to Home there will be an Insert. Click on Insert and there will be a button called Illustrations. So you click on the arrow below Illustrations, and you see it has pictures, online pictures, shapes, icons, and 3D models. Well, today we'll be looking at these two, icons and 3D models. So first we'll start off with a 3D model. So we click on the arrow that shows underneath it, and if you want, you can get your own 3D models, like from saving it from somewhere, but today I'm going to be using the online store. Obviously you'll need Wi-Fi to get this, I'm pretty sure, because it's an online 3D models place. So because my data set is about soaps, I'm going to type up soap and let's see what we get. Yes, so we've got this. So something that I've learned through this is you can't just click both of them at the same time, or it will come out to be attached and you can't really move them anywhere. And like if you want to do it, it's like if you want to like make it bigger, then they're going to be attached. So no, that is a big no. We don't do that. So we're going to go back to Insert, Illustrations, 3D Models, Online Sources, and we're going to go Soap. And then we have to click on it one by one. So don't click it together, one by one. So for this, I think this picture has a clearer view of the soap. So I'll click on this and go Insert. And here we are. We've got a soap model right here. And so over here, the middle button, you can use it to flip it and show the top of the soap, the bird's eye view, and you can like flip to the bottom. Basically it shows, and then you can turn it. But yeah, so I thought this was pretty cool, since many people might not know about the 3D model feature. And see over here, up here, you can see the 3D model view. So that's the bottom view, the back view, the side view, the bird's eye view, and the left view, and the default view, so the way that it's actually viewed. So now that we've finished with the 3D model over here, we're going to get on with icons. So again, we go into the Insert, I'm already in it, and you go to Illustrations, and the fourth one is Icons. So you click on Icons, and now this data is showing like the people, so people who bought the soap. So as you can see on the left side down here, there's like a lot of topics that, so for example, we could go on dinosaurs. There'll obviously be dinosaurs, and education, you'll see books. But in this one, we have people. So we'll go to accessibility, and we have people over here. So we can click on that, Insert. And so here it is. To make it bigger, you can make it bigger over here. And now for how it looks, up here, underneath graphics format, there's all these options on how to make it look better. So you can go to graphic fill. Well, first I'm going to go with the outline. So I want a black outline, so I'm going to click on that. And we're going to go to graphics outline. We obviously got black. We're going to go to graphics fill. And I'm going to make mine yellow, so it's nice and bright. And graphic effects. So it has present, well, preset. And it has all these cool ways that you can display this, and there's a tilt one, but remember it always has to be like easy to understand. So to make it easier to understand, I'm gonna go to the first one and click on this, and there we go. We have our people who are buying the soap, and they can have a clear view of how the soap looks too. So that comes to the end of this video. I hope you all learned something, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel and come back next time for some new content.